Oh my god, I look so tan. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing an entrepreneurship video. I'm going to be showing you how I package and ship my orders. So this is my station right here. I work in the little corner of the dining table because I don't need more space. So I'm going to be showing you what I use. I use Shopify as my store, so I'm just gonna try to blur out the names and the addresses, but I'm going to be showing you guys from start to finish what is that I do once I receive an order. First things first, I go and check the order that's unfulfilled, which is, for example, this one. This is the last order that just came in right now. For example, right here it tells you, a lot of people, what they do is create the shipping label first. I like to create it at last. Unless I get like a lot of orders all together, then probably I would do that. But for now, I only do the shipping label at last. I feel like it's an easier way for me. So here where it tells you the order number right here, and then it tells you what they ordered. It gives you the number. For example, right here, it tells you like one of each times how many. You have to make sure you see that because it won't give you like the same name 2, 3, 4 times. It'll just give you the one name, and then it'll tell you how many they ordered of each. So for example, this order, she ordered 3 of them. So what I do is I click on create shipping label. Well, first let's go ahead and get the lashes. So here on the side, this is where I have all my stuff. I have the paper, like the tissue paper that I use for the orders. So what I do is I come here, I grab one of these. Usually when it's 3, because that's what it fits right here, like 1, like 2, 3 right here. So usually when it's 3 or less, I'll use these little bubble mailers. I got these in Amazon. When it's more than 3, I use a box, which is down here. I use these boxes, but since right now it's only 3, I'm gonna use the bubble mailer. This is the box that I use. I believe it's a 8x10 or 8x9, something like that, but it's a small box. But that's only when they order more than 3. So right now we're gonna use this. So what I do is I grab the bubble mailer, put it to the side. We're gonna need this also. So I come here, this is where I was using this for pictures. I'm gonna need this too. This is just a sticker that I use to close the tissue paper. I was taking pictures, so I had this right here. Super cute. So this is where I have all my stuff. I just organized it the other day because I felt like it was easier for me to see where I have everything at. So you just open this. This is a whole new collection of lashes. This is where I have all the lashes that I have left. So for example, she ordered Nena. I have these by alphabetical order. So I go over here to the end. This is the style she ordered. This is called Nena. There you go. And she ordered Extravagante, which is right here. This is the style, super long. That's the name, Extravagant. They're super long. They're 25 mm. And I put the name. I have a video where it shows how I do the little labels. And here's Reina. These are one of my favorites. It's super cute and it's full. I never get styles that are really similar. I like to get them different. So these 3, we're gonna put them to the side. These are the thank you cards that I use. I do them myself. I ordered these from Avery, and then I just sign this myself and I print them out. I have my own printer. So what I do is I put one of these in each package. I'm gonna try to see which one looks the nicest. I think this one. So I'm gonna put this in the package. So if they order 3 or more lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and give them one of these. I have a lot of them, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw one of these in there. Okay, and I'm gonna place the lashes. and this right here. Let me just make sure that they all look the same. And I'm gonna wrap it up. So now that it's like this, I take one of my stickers and I place it right here to seal the tissue paper, and I place it in here. And I'm just gonna throw in here, I'm actually gonna write on it because I think I know this girl, but I'll just write like, thank you for supporting. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So there we go. I wrote my little thank you note on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and close it. So now that this is ready, I bring out, you're pretty much always gonna need this unless you already know kind of how much it weighs, but I always still use it just to make sure. So now that all that is in there, this is just for you to get an idea. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go to create shipping label. And from here, these are already pre-weighed. I don't know why this is, it's pretty much the same thing. So the box is right here, so it's pretty much already done for you. You can go ahead and preset your boxes. Like if you have a poly mailer, you could go ahead and just put in the dimensions and put poly mailer. You can name them, it gives you the option to name them. I have the poly mailer, which is the black one. I have the custom box, which is the small one, and I have the PR box one. So just so I can know which one is which. So since we're using a poly mailer, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one, small poly mailer, and it has the dimensions right here. There's a 6x10, and that fits about 3 lashes. I mean, you could stuff more in there, but I don't like them to get squished. So now it tells you, it asks you to put in the weight. So since we're gonna work with ounces, I'm gonna go ahead and click right there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put the weight. It only gives you the weight of the lashes that you have right here. So since I'm gonna weigh the lashes with the poly mailer, now I'm gonna put in a new weight. That's only if you don't have preset your boxes weight. So now I'm gonna go right here, turn on my weight, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top. So it gives me 2.2 ounces. I'm gonna turn it around just to make sure that it's the weight, 2.2 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead here, put 2.2 ounces. So it automatically gives you the price for the shipping. So if you want it to be 3 business days, it's $2.78. I usually offer 2 business days, which is this one. Okay, so it says fulfilled. Now I'm gonna print the shipping label. I have my own printer. I use a regular printer, so you can use any printer. I already have my presets done right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click print, and I'm gonna go closer to the printer just to make sure that it's printing. So this is a printer that I use. It's the HP. And what I do, I just leave these little slips in there. This is where I keep all my papers for printing and for slips and everything. The ones that I use are these from Amazon. It's 81.26. So they come like this. So it's 2, you can fold it. What I do is I fold it in half and then rip it, oh shit, into 2 pieces like this. And then once it's like this side has to be up because it's the side that it's going to print on. Of course, that depends on your printer. So my blank side goes up, and I just put it in this side right here because that's the side that it prints on. I had trouble finding out everything when I barely started, but I finally got it. So if you have this kind of printer, you already know the paper is already here. Even if the printer says printer not responding, it still prints it out. So I usually just wait a few minutes. There you go. So now I grab this. What I like about these is that I don't need to cut them or anything. They're already pre-cut. So now what I do is I grab my package. And I usually, since a lot of people say that sometimes they open the packages, which I've never had that issue, but I still I grab the shipping label, and this is what I love. I don't have to cut anything. Let me show you. I don't have to cut anything because it already comes pre-cut. I peel it like this. And I like to put it where the opening is at, which I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but I still do it like that. So I just grab it, and there you go. It's ready to be shipped. Okay. So I really hope this video helped some of you guys. This is for the beginners, of course. If you have any suggestions, questions, or comments, leave them down below and I'll be answering them. If you're barely starting a business, if you don't have an idea of, you know, how to start it or how to take care of shipping, because that's the one thing that I've heard people have the most problems with, let me know. Leave your questions and I'll be answering them. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.